Okay, so do the role play for you guys. I know you don't know me. So cold. It's okay, girls. Power. This like took a while to off. I don't know. Wait a second. What? Gosh. Did you know, guys, that you can now put some sleepy bags on babies? I don't know. George, wake up! Wow, what was that? Gosh, what do you want? Fine, it's just snowing today. What? Yep, it's snowing. And it's a brand out, so it's like some brand out, but we don't know. Oh man. Oh, gee. What even is that? Like, seriously. Literally. Gosh. Take care of yourself. I don't have anything left, so maybe stay in this suitcase. Doll. Thank God we had that suitcase. That suitcase was so big. Girls. What's wrong? It's a brand out. What? What? Gosh, what is wrong with you guys? I'm just sorry, kids, but I need to tell you, but wait a second. Where is Mary? Warning for people who had headphones on. Where are the books? God! Gosh, you scared me like that. Where is the blanket? Okay. Let's just be riddle. We can't escape. We can't escape we can't escape until there's something like that. What is happening? Wait a second, I have an idea. Stay here. Come here, meow meow. That big. Let me see. Okay, this connects to this. Okay. So they say that I can just find something that has no electricity but can be hot. Wait a second. I have an idea. Mom's warmer.
Ako good with high honors.
Oh, okay.